Hey guys, I'm Daniel. I absolutely adore this front porch. Can't wait to show you guys the inside. Come on in. This is our king floor plan. This home is part of our smart living collection. We are standing in the family room, which is great for entertaining, game nights, or catching the big game. This home offers a dining area that is perfect for dinner parties. Let's go check out the kitchen. As you can see, there's plenty of counter space and cabinet space, and a huge pantry. Can't you see yourself making dinner in here? The first floor also offers a 2-car garage, powder room, and flex space. There are options to add an extra bedroom or a morning room right off your kitchen, making each home perfect for however you live. The king also has an option for an outside space. Perfect for relaxing. Come check out the upstairs. Welcome to your owner's suite. As you can see, there's plenty of room here. The large windows flood the space with natural light. This suite comes with a luxurious owner's bath. Oh, and a large walk-in closet. The king floor plan includes a loft area, or you can choose the option shown here to make the loft a part of your owner's suite, transforming it into your own personal sitting room. Included on the second level, you have 3 bedrooms with large walk-in closets, a laundry room, linen closet, and a full bath. Thank you for taking the tour with me today. As I mentioned earlier, the king is part of our smart living collection. You can choose from several different floor plans, all designed with you in mind. For more information, visit HHHunthomes.com, because at HH Hunt, it's how you live that matters.